Students, and today I am going to take you to the cursive letter writing, and this is for all the parents जो भी अभी प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं स्पेसिफिकली फॉर दी KG1 KG2 पीपल KG1 एंड KG2 स्टूडेंट्स जिन्हें स्टार्टिंग करनी है कर्सिव की और हाउ डू दे राइट इट. ऑलराइट, so I'll take you step by step, one by one. Please watch this carefully and do comment at the end that how did you like my video. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so now when you have your English copy, you have these 4 lines. We generally say a English copy or a 4-line copy, whatever you want to say. Now what we do is see the top line, this first line. The name of this line is nothing but this is known as capital line, right? This is the first line. The name of the second line, this one, this we call it as waist line. Waist is like we take it just the half. Okay, then third is your baseline. Baseline means your letters will rest. Okay, and fourth is your tail line. Like I'm just talking about these 4. So this is capital line, this is waistline, this is baseline, and this is tail line. This is how we name the lines. You just have to remember that whenever you are making the letters, always you have to use either these 3 lines or these 3 lines, right? Why so? See, because whenever the letter is like A or B or C, they are in the top 3 lines. But if the letter is like, you can say maybe Y, X, Y, Z, like small letters and all, so that way you write it small g, H-I, J, like J, and so on. So that's how we distribute this for different letters. So now we've covered the basics. Now I'll tell you and I'll take you to the first letter of ours, and that is letter A. Alright, now how am I going to take you is, see very carefully. Okay, now what are we doing here actually? See, first what we do is, first we take it to this line. This is known as 1, right? Then we turn it and take it to this line. This is called number 2. Then we take it towards this line, that is 3, right? And this line, that is 4. Alright, I'll show it to you once again. See, we take it this way, it's 1, we go down, that is 2, we go this way, this is 3, and we turn it like this, that makes 4, right? So this is how you write the cursive letters. So if you have to take it, I'll repeat it once again for you. See, from this point to this point, this is 1. And how do you have to go? You have to go in this way. Okay? The second one, how are you going to write like this? This is A and B. So, if you want to take this one, this goes 1, and then you have to turn it and take it 2, right? Then, once you've taken it like this, then what is the next step? That is the third step. How are you going to take this? So see, this was 1, this was 2, and this is 3. So again we will take it. This is 1, this is 2, and 3, right? And the last step will be, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, right? This is how a letter A becomes. This is 1, This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. That's the perfect way of making letter A. Alright, so I'll just show it to you. The final A which we are going to make is like this. Yes. Okay. Now one more rule. As I told you in my previous video also, whenever you are making letters, don't pick up your pen or pencil. It's like once you have started, see, when you're practicing, that time it's okay. But once you're writing, then in that case what you have to do is, you don't have to pick up the pencil or pen. Just keep on writing in a flow. Then we have to make the next letter. How are we going to make it? See, it's very simple. You just have to be very careful. Then you are taking it like this, and then you are taking it like this, and turn. Right. Okay. Now how are you going to take this one? So I'll tell you again. See, first you are going to take this way. This is 1. Then from here you are going to take to number 2. This way. Right. From 2 you are going to take it to 3. This way. Right. So this is number 3. And then you're going to take it and go to number 4. Right? So this is how the B is made. I'll go simply again. See, it is like this. Go up like this, turn around, and this way. Right? So you have 1, then you have 2, then you have 3, and then you have 4. Okay, so now I'll take you step by step. See, what you have to do is, you have to take it from here till here. So this is your one line, right? Next is what you are going to do. This is 1. See, these 2 points. Now take it up. Where do you have to take up? Like this. Here. This is your point number. Not 2, this is 3. 2 is this one. 1, 2, and 3. Now from 3, what you have to do next is, you have to catch hold of it and take it like this. Right? So this is your third one. Okay, so let me just repeat it once again for you. See, this was your 1, then this is your 2. This is 2. This is 1 and 2. So this is your 1, this is your 2, this is your 3. You've touched it over here. Okay, then what do you have to do next? Next is, you have to click like this. 1, you go 2, you go 3, and last is like this, which is 4. Right? So these are the steps of creating letter B. This is how you make your letter B. Alright, so let's go to the final B creation. This is somewhat like this. This is somewhat like this. Like this. You come here, turn it out, and like this. This is your letter B. I'll make it with the smoother line again. It is like this. Take it up, go down, turn it here, and turn it like this. So easy. Stay tuned for my next video and press on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you.